Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about the iOS security and how you can encrypt your phone to protect your personal data. iPhone more specifically, because this video is about the iPhone security. So whether it is your messages or emails or contacts or call logs, encryption ensures that only you can access the information even if your device falls into the wrong hands. So let's dive in. So why should you encrypt your phone? Well, encryption is like a digital lock on your device. Even if someone gets physical access to your iPhone, they will still need your passcode to unlock the data. Most modern Apple devices actually encrypt your data by default, but to make it fully secure, you need a passcode only you know. Devices that support encryption include iPhone 3GS or later, iPod Touch 3rd generation or later, and any iPad. If you have one of these, you are good to go. If your device runs iOS 4 to 7, then open Settings, go to the General and then Passcode or iTouch and Passcode. Follow the prompts to create a passcode. That's it. Simple and effective. For iOS 8 to 11, open Settings, then touch ID and Passcode and create a passcode. Only iOS 8 disable simple passcode if you want a longer and stronger code. From iOS 9 onward, Apple uses a 6-digit passcode by default. While numeric passcodes are convenient, we recommend alphanumeric codes. Letters, numbers, symbols that are longer than 6 characters, they are much harder to crack. To create a custom code, tap the passcode options and then custom alphanumeric code, or change your existing code under change passcode, then passcode options. Also, make sure your passcode is required immediately to prevent unauthorized access. Once your passcode is set, scroll to the bottom of the passcode settings page. You should see a message that says data protection is enabled. This means your device's encryption is now tied to your passcode. Do not forget about the backups. iTunes does not encrypt backups by default, so make sure to check Encrypt Backup on the Summary tab. This secures Wi-Fi passwords, email passwords, and other confidential information. For iCloud backups, always use a long and strong passphrase and keep it safe. Remember, Apple encrypts iCloud backups, but they control the encryption keys, so law enforcement access is possible. You can also enhance security further. Enable erase data after 10 failed passcode attempts. Then use Find My iPhone to remotely locate or erase your device. And here is an important tip. iOS encryption is strongest when your device is powered off. If your phone is on or just turned off, some attackers might still access data in memory. For devices running iOS 8 or later, Apple cannot extract encrypted data without the passcode. For older versions, they could access SMS or photos or videos or contacts and the call history. Keep it in mind that backups, both iTunes and iCloud, may still be accessible to law enforcement. So encryption is most effective when your device is fully powered down and secured. To wrap up, always use a strong alphanumeric passcode and enable data protection and backup encryption. And also consider remote erase and powering off for maximum security. With these simple steps, your iPhone will be much safer from unauthorized access. So that is all for today's guide on iOS encryption. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.